Okay, hi ladies. I will try to do a short video so I can show you a step by step how you're going to do the annotations. The first thing that you're going to do after you be in this page, it will be to sign up. You're gonna have to click here to put your username that I'm gonna be providing to you. It's gonna be the first letter of your name plus your last name. And it's gonna ask you for a code that is gonna be first time code, and I will be providing to you. After that, you have to set up a password, minimum 8 characters, letters, and numbers. So after you have your information, you're going to sign in. At the moment that you're here in this page, there's a lot of information. I don't want to be really long, so I will go into the information that you really need. You are going to the appointments. You have to click again here, appointments. In this page, as you can see, you're gonna be able to see all the information that we have in the system. Here, you're going to establish or really choose the date of the week that you want to check. Let's choose this week, 14 until 20, that is today. At the moment here, you can put the name of your client if you want to see anything for a client specific. Here in the user, you can put the aid that you're looking for. Is somebody in a specific? For the specific situation that, or let's say, task that you're gonna be doing in this page is the annotations. You go here in the validation state, and you're gonna choose needs review. As you can see, you will be able to see needs review here because it hasn't been validated by Arrow, because the punch is different than the schedule in Arrow. In order to be able to see your office, so it's gonna be easier for you to find your aides or clients, you have to choose the your branch, Perth Amboy or South Orange or Hackensack. Let's check Hackensack. Here you can see that we have 186 at the moment, including today, that it comes up as an annotation, but we cannot do nothing for the ones of today if the schedule is not supposed of the chief is not supposed to be end yet. In order to you be able to check, you have to click the appointment ID here. As you can see, this A indeed a person. She's supposed to work 9 to 1. And as you can see, this is an information that we have been providing before. This A made the annotation the day after. So she get to clock in that day, the 14th, but she did not clock out on time, but she did it the day after. Could be the next day or even yesterday or even today. Here it's gonna come up with this letter. Let's try to show you someone different. Like for example, Ibelis Castro. Now if you can see, her schedule is 9 to 1 with Lydia Rodriguez. She gets to clock in at 8:59, but here comes up another address, and she checked out at 4. So because that's not the correct hour, that come up as an annotation. At the moment, that's when you have to find out what happened here, make the correction in Arrow that if it has to be. And in order to do annotation, you have to go here, annotate, correct and specify the correct schedule work. You had to put a reason code. Could be agent error, it could be a technical error, it could be other. But we recommend in any situation that you find out, please put a note that what happened, and then you click mark review. I'm sorry, I'm not going to do this one because we need to find out why this situation happened. I would like to show you, in order to change, let's say the office, you have to take out Hackensack here so you can see all of them, and you have to look for the other office that you are trying to check. Let's try South Orange so you can see the one for South Orange. So you can take it out here the filter that you had. If you want to check someone, let's say a specific, you write the name here in user, that's the 8. And let's say that you want to check the whole week. You're gonna go and you're gonna be able to see the dates that you really want to see. You can specify here again. And in appointment ID, you're gonna be able to see what exact day, what exact hour she worked, and the distance that she went, and if the appointment was annotated or just auto verify. We need to check the appointments that are in progress as well, which are the ones that the home health aide get to make the check-in or forgot to check out. Those ones you can see it here in the status. Annotations needs review in validation, annotations in progress in status. You click in progress, you're gonna be able to see which one get to do the check-in but forgot to check out, or maybe the system had the problem. So here we can check if the aide has the app, they can fix it, and if they use the IBR, they have to submit timesheet. For example, Tasha Ilan, you click in the appointment ID and you're gonna be able to see that she gets to clock in on time, but she forgot to check out. So she can go back and she can fix it. But for the ones like Helen Gordon, she used the IVR, you can see the number here. She made the call to check in, but she did not call to check out. So there's no plan of care. She has to submit a timesheet. In this option, they cannot go back. Any questions? Please feel free to ask me.